The bombing history of Guildford is somewhat patchy. Altogether, something like 123 bombs or bomb incidents happened on Guildford. But of those, by far the great bulk happened in 1940. So that if a bomb fell outside, the blast could not come straight through, which would be very, very damaging to those inside. There was always a blast wall or a kink. The other ones have got a kink in them. But it's all the same to keep out the blast. Okay, now, we will start wandering off in this direction, and of chalk and soil. Now, when this was this scale of 500-pound bombs was sort of standard means of exchange.
Turns back a long way, doesn't it?
They left the Olsons behind.
What did you say this was used for?
Why is that on there?
Cross tunnel.
We're standing in
But again, it goes down a middle way, probably 30 yards.
Be careful. Did they have electric light? It doesn't matter, you only get it. Not far to go home anyway,
Well, I'm sure not to watch that.
Why you can't step over it, this?
It's scary, wasn't it? Yes. You could do it, but you will, yes.
There's your rhyme in here as well.
Yes, it's good, isn't it? They've made that distinction. And these you know, which the girls have got. And these are presumably their buckets, so you use as an arsenal.
There, but if you wish to go in round, I will, as it were, stand there, and you then can see up to one of the exits, one of the ventilation exits, which went up to an air raid shelter, or by an air raid shelter, in the grounds of Allen House. And when you look up that, it makes you realise how deep down you are. So, now...
Go on, just go around short corner there. I'm not quite sure what it is.
It's for ventilation, but it's going around that ventilation.
Brilliant.
I'm absolutely amazed at how well they're organised.
Yeah. Don't forget there's a hole down there.
Yes, okay. Oh, yes.
Up the ladder you go.
Not in these shoes, actually. The sandals not good.
Right, thank you indeed. Thanks.
Wow, and that comes out where?
At Allen House. It was an air raid shelter up there.
It's capped off now. I see.
Is this the one that's underneath the bowling green or underneath the putting green?
I think it's beyond that. I think it goes beyond that.
What are they made of, wood or concrete?
That's concrete, I think.
I see.
I believe a child fell down in. That was why they kept it.
So they really have sealed it off?
Yeah, they really have sealed it off.
Okay.
Fantastic.
I suppose they're pretty frantic and gone on here.
Yeah. They probably worked night and day, you just kept getting on with it.
But in fact, nothing was ever done beyond that, but that is the reason why this is kept. It was built with a secondary use in mind, which I think was rather showed excellent forethought and a very good perception of what might be useful in the future. But there we are.
I don't know, I wonder if it's doing that.
But there we are. Okay.
Although these shafts, they go up, no doubt, an enormous distance.
It's got what?
This is like walking around the Titanic after they've drugged it up.
But it's the old type.
Oh, it's a, no, it's a...
It's one of those fan switches
Oh, that's right, yeah.
that we had saw them around the corner.
Yes.
But I do think that's a rather fine scuttle.
Yeah. This should be out. Is it?
Oh, that's one of the fans.
Oh, yes, look at that, yes.
Fantastic.
No different from what we have today, really, Star Wars. Oh, wow.
They ought to open this up.
Oh, look at that.
Extremely stable because obviously very old.
Oh, that's right.
It's
At least there was some, already some.
no, we think there wasn't because the pattern is so regular and so obviously thought of at the time that it seems quite unlikely that there were any things here.
And the lady must have been short in those days, must have been 1940.
Yes, but of course, mind you, a lot of other things weren't being done. You see, there was civilian building had virtually stopped. You know, civilian repair, of course, there was a large amount of going on. But and of course, I mean, people were being moved into the forces all over the place, all sorts of jobs.
I'm sorry. Still wall brackets up here for a shelf of some kind.
This is the warden's office.
Marshal's. It's funny they call them marshal, isn't it? There's just marshal people around, aren't they?
All asylum seekers.
Supplementary parking.
One poor lady said, is this the way into the town centre?
Well, no.
Exactly.
Oh, it's well looked at.
That's fantastic.
Your case is open by
Mrs. Davison. Well, she told us about it, you know. But,
You've read up about it.
yes, a bit.
Yeah. Well done.